Hey, 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 welcome back to Bb.English Cast, the podcast that makes English easy and a little bit weird.
Weird is right. Bella, can I tell you something embarrassing?
Always.
Last week, someone said, "Hi, nice to meet you," and I replied, "You too, table."
You called the man table?
There was a table next to him. My brain got confused.
Okay, friends, if your brain ever turns into scrambled eggs when you meet someone new, this episode is for you.
Today on Beeb English Cast, we're learning how to introduce yourself. Easily, anywhere. Parties, jobs, school, everywhere.
And no furniture will be involved.
No promises.
Okay, real talk for a second. Introducing yourself is one of the first things you learn in English, but it's also one of the scariest.
Totally. It's not only about words, it's nerves. Your heart says bam, 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 and suddenly you forgot every English word you ever knew.
Exactly. So today on Beeb English Cast, we'll give you simple lines for different places, meeting new people, job interviews, school, and even meeting your partner's family.
Oh no, the final boss level.
Don't worry, we'll keep it simple. Just 3 steps. Your name, one small detail, and a friendly question back.
Like a taco, shell, filling, and a little salsa on top.
A taco, really, Brian?
I'm always hungry on this podcast, what can I say?
All right, let's get into today's lesson. Meeting someone casually. Let's start easy. You're at a party, someone walks up to you. What do you say?
Simple. Hi, I'm Brian.
Good. Now add a small detail.
Hi, I'm Brian. I just moved to this city.
Nice. And finish with a question.
What about you? What's your name?
Listeners, repeat with us. Hi, I'm your name. Nice to meet you.
Say it out loud right now, even if you're walking down the street. I called a man table last week. You cannot embarrass yourself more than me.
Honestly, very true. At workplace or a job interview. Now a more serious place. Work or a job interview.
Here we speak a bit more formally. Try this. Hello, my name is Brian. I'm the new graphic designer.
Nice and clear. No tacos mentioned.
Correct. This is professional Brian. He doesn't joke. He has a blazer.
Professional Brian. I love it. So the formula is greeting plus name plus your role or reason for being there.
Hello, I'm Bella. I'm here for the 2 o'clock interview.
Confident, simple, done.
Tacos stay outside the building. Those are the rules.
At school or in class. Next, school. Maybe it's your first day in an English class.
This one is relaxed and friendly. Hi, I'm Brian. I'm learning English so I can travel next year.
And add a question. Why are you learning English?
It's a great way to make a new friend on day 1.
Small talk really does open big doors.
Unless the door leads to a taco truck, then it just opens to lunch.
Brian, focus.
I'm trying. My stomach has its own podcast schedule.
All right, the big one. Meeting your partner's parents for the first time.
I am not ready. I was never ready. I will never be ready.
Oh, relax. Keep it warm and polite. Hello, it's so wonderful to finally meet you. I've heard so many great things.
So smooth. When I met my girlfriend's parents, I said, "Hello, I am the boyfriend, version 1.
Version 1, like a software update?
I panicked, and apparently my brain thought I was a phone app.
Boyfriend 1.0 now available.
Please don't put this in the podcast.
Brian, it's already recorded. All right, let's recap our 3 magic steps for any introduction.
1. Say your name.
2. Add a small detail about you.
3. Ask a friendly question back.
And maybe step 4?
Don't call anyone table.
You said it, I didn't. Okay, friends, that's today's lesson. Now it's your turn.
Yes, practice your introduction out loud right now, with a friend, a mirror, or even your pet.
Pets are excellent listeners. Zero judgment ever.
True. And if you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to Beeb English Cast so you never miss a lesson.
And drop a comment below. Tell us the funniest thing you ever said when meeting someone new. We shared Brian's table story. Now we want yours.
Please, I need company in my embarrassment.
We read every comment, and we might even share your story in our next episode.
So remember, practice a little every day, smile, breathe, and you'll introduce yourself easily anywhere in the world.
Thanks so much for listening to Beeb English Cast.
See you next time. And if anyone needs me, I'll be at the taco truck.
Of course you will. Bye, everyone.
Bye-bye.